Hello guys, I'm Dr. Amri. I'm going to make a new tutorial about how to work with multi-label segmentations. Now, sometimes you download a dataset from a TCIA and after that you see it has a lot of labels. Let me show you. But you just need to work with one of them. For instance, non-small cell lung cancer dataset, non-small cell lung cancer, Radiomics. I show you one of them. It has a main image, a DICOM series. It has a RTS track, single DICOM, and also it has a segmentation, single DICOM. I drag it to the 3D slicer and load it. Okay. Now, what you see, it is RTS track. We can blind it. It is segmentation. It has chord, both lines, tumor segmentations. But if, for instance, if you want just to extract Radiomics features, you can't use this DICOM alone since it has a multi-labels. But you just need the tumor segmentation. Here is the solution. You can delete RTS tract, delete line left, right, another line, and after that you just have a main image and also a segmentation of tumor, the things that just you need. Now you can save it. I don't want the scene, I just want the main image and segmentation of tumor. I choose a place where it should be safe. I make a new folder in XYZ project, my ongoing project. I write YouTube in another way. Select this folder and save it. Now, now I clear the 3D slicer. I choose it, delete it. The main image has both all segmentation, artist tracks, all parts. And now I'm going to extract the Radiomics features of the tumor. You can choose another labels, lines, chords, anything you want, and do any task you want. Again, data as a directory. I'm going to XYZ projects and the YouTube folder we created. Now you can see the main image as a volume and the segmentation of tumor as a segmentation. And you see just the labels you wanted, you extracted from a lot of segmentation and labels. Now I'm going to extract Radiomics features. I switch module to Radiomics. You can install it if you don't have it from this part extensions. And also you choose image, main image as the image, and input regiment segmentation 1. Extract customization. I choose all features and wavelet. You can tick or not. You can choose the bin width, and then you click on apply. And wait. Now you have the Radiomics features of only the tumor, not all labels in the segmentation. It was our today tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. Goodbye. See you soon.